The conductor has offered each of us a special ride on the train of life. However, there are a few conditions. He tells each one of us that we must always be on the lookout for companions that will affect us more than others. For instance, every fellow passenger will share with you a story. Others will trust you with their secrets. Some of these are humorous or sad and related to a moment in time. But I guarantee there will be more than a few that will get you angry, annoyed, or even bored, because they feel it's their duty to remind you, 1, that you should make friends with everybody, but especially the conductor, because he is always with you. 2, to assist others. And 3, to take care of a self-improvement course, making yourself better on every level, spiritually, mentally, and physically. In fact, you too will be sharing these same 3 items throughout your ride, and can expect the same reaction from others that you receive. It is part of the price of the ticket. Fortunately, at the station which we are slated to disembark, we will be led to a place where we will reap the rewards of our actions on this journey. You may not remember that at birth we boarded this train with our parents, and we believed that they would always travel by our side. Sometimes they are with us when we meet those other chatty people that need to tell us how to live. But some may come along later on the journey. However, our parents may change seats, moving further back on the train, or at some station our parents will simply step down from the train, either separately or together, leaving us on this journey alone. As time goes on, we'll feel alone, and there will be other people that do board the train, and some will be significant to you, and could be your siblings, friends, children, perhaps even the love of your life. Many will step on, and yet many more that you know will step down and leave a permanent vacuum. Others will go so unnoticed that you won't even realize they vacated their seats. This train ride will be full of joy and sorrow, anger, fear, fantasy, expectation, hellos, and yes, many goodbyes. Success consists of listening to those that share our ride. Follow the persistent and pertinent instructions that are occasionally presented and reminded. While having good relationships with all the passengers requires that we give our best of ourselves. The mystery to everyone is that we do not know at which station we ourselves will step down. We may be looking to a very long journey, or the journey could end abruptly any moment. So we are encouraged to approach the conductor for tips and insights into the stations, the passengers, our behavior, and how to live the best way to love, forgive, and when to offer the advice as many as we can that are able to receive it. It is important to do this because when the time comes for us to step down and leave our seat empty, we should leave behind beautiful memories and a chance to receive a great reward for those who continue to travel on the train. Yes, the train of life. I wish you a wonderful journey on the train of life, and reap success and give lots of love More importantly, remember to thank the conductor all along the journey. And lastly, I want to thank you for being one of the passengers who has stepped by and been on my train for a moment or two. Whether or not we talked or shared time together, we have shared these thoughts, and I send my love to you. And tell the conductor it was a nice time that we had together. Bye now.